Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, Arun's present age is 40% of Barun's. In another few years, Arun's age will be half of Barun's. By what percentage will Barun's age increase during this period? So let Barun's age be 10x. Then Arun's age is 40% of 10x, so 4x. The difference between their ages 6x is a constant. Now when Arun's age is 50% of Barun's age, this difference would also be 50%. That is, Barun's age at that stage would be 12x. It would be increased by 20%. So the correct option is option A. The next question is, a person can complete a job in 120 days. He works alone on day 1. On day 2, he is joined by another person who also can complete his job in exactly 120 days. On day 3, they are joined by another person of equal efficiency. Like this, every day a new person with the same efficiency joins the work. How many days are required to complete the job? Let the number of days required to complete the job be n. Then one person works on day 1, 2 people work on day 2, and 3 people work on day 3. So n people would work on day n. Now each person has the same efficiency. So work is equal to 1 by 1 plus 20 plus 2 by 1 plus 20 plus 3 by 1 plus 20 and so on up to n by 1 plus 20. Now this thing equals 1. So summation n equals 120, or n is equal to 15. The next question is, a man leaves his home and walks at a speed of 12 km per hour, reaching the railway station 10 minutes after the train had departed. If instead he had walked at a speed of 15 km per hour, he would have reached the station 10 minutes before the train's departure. The distance in kilometer from his home to the railway station is. So the speed in the second case is 5 by 4 times the speed in the first case. Therefore, the time would be 4 by 5 times the time, that is 1 by 5 times 5 less. So this 1/5 is 20 minutes. Therefore, the time taken in first case is 100 minutes. The distance is 12 into 5 by 3 hours is equal to 20 kilometers. The next question is, Ravi invests 50% of his monthly savings in fixed deposits. 30% of the rest of his savings is invested in stocks, and the rest goes into Ravi's savings bank account. If the total amount deposited by him in the bank for savings account and fixed deposits is 59500, then Ravi's total monthly savings in rupees is. So fraction invested in FDs is 50s by 100. Investment in stocks is 30 by 100 into s minus 50 by 100 s. This is because 30% of rest of his savings is invested in stocks. So this equals 15 by 100 s. And investment in savings bank account, so investment in savings bank account is 35 s by 100. Now according to question, 35s by 100 plus 50s by 100 is equal to 59500. Solving for s, we get s is equal to 70,000.